Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video